everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the heart of the home, the bathroom. A clean and organized bathroom sparks so much joy, wouldn't you agree? It's a space where we begin and end our days, a sanctuary for self-care and rejuvenation. But let's be honest, cleaning the bathroom isn't always the most joyful task. That's why I'm thrilled to share my top 5 revolutionary cleaning hacks that will make your bathroom sparkle and shine, all while sparking joy in your heart. Get ready to discover simple yet effective tips and tricks that will transform your cleaning routine. Let's begin our journey to a sparkling, clean, and joyful bathroom. When it comes to creating a clean and serene bathroom, I always turn to the power of nature. Harsh chemicals can disrupt the tranquility of this space, so let's explore gentle yet effective natural cleaning agents. Vinegar, my dear friends, is a true cleaning hero. Its acidic nature cuts through grime and soap scum like no other. Baking soda, with its gentle abrasiveness and odor-absorbing properties, is another favorite. Now let's talk about how to use these wonders. For sparkling clean faucets and fixtures, mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray generously and let it work its magic for a few minutes before wiping away with a soft cloth. The result? Gleaming surfaces that spark joy. For grout and tile cleaning, create a paste with baking soda and water. Apply it to the grout lines. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub gently with a brush. Rinse thoroughly and marvel at the renewed freshness. Remember, a little goes a long way with these natural wonders. And the best part? You're creating a healthier environment for yourself and your family. Let's talk about the magic of steam cleaning. Imagine this: the gentle yet powerful heat of steam penetrating deep into grout lines, melting away dirt and grime. Steam cleaning is like a spa treatment for your bathroom, rejuvenating and refreshing every nook and cranny. Now you might wonder, Marie, why steam cleaning? Well, my friends, steam cleaning is incredibly effective, especially for areas prone to mold and mildew. The heat eliminates bacteria and allergens, leaving your bathroom not only sparkling clean, but also healthier. When choosing a steam cleaner, look for one with various attachments designed for different surfaces. For grout and tile, use a pointed nozzle to target those hard-to-reach areas. The steam will loosen dirt and grime, making it a breeze to wipe away. Remember to always test the steam cleaner on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility with your surfaces. Embrace the power of steam and watch your bathroom transform into a sparkling oasis of cleanliness. A well-organized cleaning caddy sparks immense joy, wouldn't you agree? It transforms the dreaded task of cleaning into a mindful and efficient practice. So, let's create a cleaning caddy that sparks joy and makes cleaning a breeze. First, gather all your cleaning supplies and lay them out in front of you. Take a moment to appreciate each item for its purpose. Now, let's declutter. Discard any expired or empty bottles. If you have multiples of the same product, consider consolidating them. Once you've decluttered, it's time to choose a caddy that sparks joy. Look for one with compartments and handles for easy carrying. Now let's organize. Group similar items together. Cleaning sprays in one section, scrubbers and sponges in another. Use small containers or baskets to keep smaller items like microfiber cloths and brushes tidy. Label everything clearly so you can find what you need in a flash. Remember, a well-organized cleaning caddy not only saves time but also elevates the entire cleaning experience. Creating a beautifully scented bathroom is like adding a touch of aromatherapy to your daily routine. But harsh chemical air fresheners can disrupt the harmony of this space. That's why I adore making my own DIY fresh scent cleaner using natural ingredients. It's incredibly easy and allows you to customize the scent to your liking. Are you ready to create a symphony of scents in your bathroom? Here's what you'll need: a spray bottle, white vinegar, water, and your favorite essential oils. I recommend starting with citrus scents like lemon or orange, as they're incredibly refreshing and uplifting. If you prefer a more calming aroma, lavender or chamomile are wonderful choices. To make the cleaner, simply combine equal parts white vinegar and water in your spray bottle. Then, add 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oil. Close the bottle tightly and shake well to combine the ingredients. And there you have it, a beautifully scented, all-natural cleaner that will leave your bathroom smelling fresh and inviting. Maintaining a sparkling clean bathroom doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. By incorporating small, regular cleaning habits into our routines, we can prevent dirt and grime from accumulating, making deep cleaning a breeze. Let's embrace the concept of a stitch in time saves 9 and discover some simple yet effective maintenance tips. After each shower or bath, take a moment to wipe down the shower walls and glass door with a squeegee or a microfiber cloth. This prevents water spots and soap scum buildup. Once a week, give your sink and countertops a quick wipe down with an all-purpose cleaner. Don't forget to pay attention to the faucet and handles, as these areas tend to harbor bacteria. Regularly cleaning your toilet bowl is essential for maintaining hygiene. A quick scrub with a toilet brush and cleaner once a week will suffice. Remember to address any spills or messes immediately to prevent staining. By incorporating these small habits into our routines, we create a space that consistently sparks joy. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to a sparkling, clean, and joyful bathroom. Remember, a clean and organized bathroom is a gift to yourself, a space where you can relax and rejuvenate. I encourage you to try these simple yet effective hacks and experience the joy they bring to your cleaning routine. Don't forget to share your sparkling results and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cleaning!